Hey, what's up, fellow realtors? Aaron Marquez here with eXp Realty. I just wanted to give you some free advice on how to generate leads. One of the biggest questions from new agents coming into the industry is how do I go out there and get leads? Do I pay for them or what's the best way? One of my favorite ways and the easiest way and very actually good results is hosting open houses on the weekends. Usually Saturday and Sunday, those are the busiest days on the open houses, so I get a lot of people to walk in, right? And it's all a numbers game. The more people you talk to, the more leads you get, and the best possibility of you getting some business. If you don't know how to get open houses, just go to your office and ask the listing agents if you could host an open house for them. If not, I'm pretty sure you could hit up some agents that are not in your company and ask them, hey, can I help you with your open houses? And a lot of them, you'd be surprised. They would say yes, go for it, and just take advantage, right? You got to put in some work, generate a lot of business, and that's your way to generate free leads. If you have any more questions, I'm always here to help. Or if you want to learn more about eXp Realty, please feel free to reach out. My number is 626-388-7722. Thank you and have a wonderful day.